Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how to recognize hot stocks and how to trade these stocks. Now in the previous video I've explained to you guys that what are hot stocks and what are slow stocks. Now both of these I've explained them in the previous video. Now in this video, how to recognize these stocks, a hot stock, and how to trade them. Now in order to recognize a hot stock, first of all what you're going to do is you will have to load the chart that you're sorry load the list of the stocks that you're trading in. Now it may be like I would mention that I'm trading the KSE 100 in index. Your would be NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, or I don't know, whatever exchange you're. Maybe it's S&P 500, Dow 30, Dow Jones Industrial Average. It may be that you're trading, but I'm trading right now is the market that I'm trading right now. The platform that I'm trading right now is KSE 100 index. Load your chart. Load the list of the stocks that you're sorry. Load the list of the stocks that you're trading in currently using, and sit when the when the market opens. Sit and observe that. Sit and watch that list and note those stocks which are trading heavily, which are trading mostly in the stock market. Now, I if I show you the list of the stocks that are trading mostly in my platform are Hum Network, where is it? Park Refinery, Lucky Cement, Unity Foods, UBL. This one is loading. Now the plus point about this one is sorry, it may be, no, not this one. This one is not that one. Yeah. Now this one is mostly sometimes. Yep. Not this one. This one is also not. Yeah, this one is also sometimes trading. Yes, this one. Now this one, as you can see that now the stocks that are like in the 14, the 16, and 900, these are traded mostly. Why? Because these are the stocks that are well established, and the people know that, and the public know that these stocks are traded well. So these guys invest in these stocks, and for a these so they invest in these stocks for a profit. Now this one, you can see that the price is high. Mostly the investors buy when the price is in their reach. Now you can, if you take a look at this one, Rafan Maize Products, you can see that this is also high trading, but mostly trading. Now you can see, where is the UBL? Yes, right here. Now these two stocks, I would say about these two stocks is that the plus point about these stock is that they are traded mostly. They are no matter what is happening, they are traded. Maybe they are going in the red, but they are traded. I haven't heard about these stocks that someone is have lost their money in these type of stocks. Yes, their prices may drop, but these type of stocks show the most liquidity. They are traded mostly in the stock market. Now you can see that I would show you more of the stocks. Where are they? So I guess those are all of the maybe there are more stocks as well, but I don't know where are they right now. So those are some of those that I've pinpointed in the list of the hot stocks that are traded mostly in my list. Now you can see that. Let it load for a while. Now this the plus point about this particular company is the Habib Bank Limited. So is that this stock is traded mostly in the stock market. If the prices go up or down, no matter what happens, this stock is traded. There isn't a single day that this stock is not traded. This stock is traded. It has the most liquidity, and you can see that. How much price did it reach? 143, 143. Now how much as it close? 119. So it doesn't matter, it will go back to its normal position, because this trading happen in stock most oftenly. This is a hot stock and traded mostly in the stock market, so I'm not going to bother about this stock. This is one of those stocks that has trading that has the most trading history. Now, if you want to trade these hot stocks, you'll also have to take a look at these charts as well. Now, this is Hum Network Limited. How much points it rose? 0.49. You can see. A hot stock is not the one which shows instant results at a single time. It will give you results most of the time. So you'll have to be prepared for that. You'll have to stay prepared, be well informed from that. Now you can see that this was a major price rejection. So I'm going to think about it. What is it going to do? Now you can see that from the candlestick as well. If it broke this resistance level, I would jump right in and jump right in and take a long position at this level, because this is a major price rejection. And if it broke this trend line, it will be moving in it will become an uptrend. So I'm still waiting for it to give me some positive results. So that's what I'm doing right now. So you guys might have known about the hot stocks now and how to trade them. Now these stocks, you'll have to be in at these stocks, because these are the mostly traded in the stock market. These are those stocks that are mostly traded in the stock market, not those stocks that are sometimes avoided. These are the stocks that are not avoided on a daily basis. They are traded mostly in the stock market. So enter into the stock market and trade these stocks, because you will benefit from these stocks by trading them. Now that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.